Hey, so if you're struggling right now with posting your first YouTube video, just know you're probably doing something wrong. It's not supposed to bring you a lot of pressure. It used to scare me a shit ton as well, but that's because I was trying to script everything. I was trying to do everything perfect. And the truth is, your first 20 videos are not gonna be perfect. This is my second video, and I've heard a lot of people say this as well. It's just you need to learn to love the camera. It's not easy. It's not comforting. It's gonna take a little while. But don't give up. Just find yourself, speak your truth. Don't try to script everything. Don't try to go viral or whatever. It's probably a couple first videos if you're watching this. Just don't go crazy. Make a video just like this one. Just talk to the camera. Just talk about what you want to talk about. Speak motivation. Speak yourself. Speak your truth. That's all that you need to do. You don't need to go bananas. Okay? So, it's all about getting comfortable with the camera. It's about putting yourself out there and start uploading consistently. That's the big thing that everybody is saying, like upload regularly. A couple of times a week is fine, or even just once a week is fine, according to some. I mean, I'll be uploading every single day because I do try to get there as soon as I can, but also because I don't have a job. I don't have anything to do. I have all the time in the world to do this. So, you know, if you have the time, spend time, make your YouTube videos, and don't upload them don't upload 10 videos every single day. One a day is perfect, one a week is just fine. But don't upload many a day, you're just gonna burn out. That's what I've seen with most people. You're gonna burn out, and do not expect to have hundreds of people watching your first few videos or even your first 100 videos. It's not gonna happen like that. Just take your time. Apparently, they say that every single YouTuber, every channel has a number at which they will start to grow, at which they will start to see major growth. And for you, that can be at number 60 or 160, but it also can be at number 25. You just don't know when it's gonna happen for you. So try to stay positive. Don't think too much. Don't overthink things. Just get that camera rolling, and that's all you need to do. Just focus. Focus on the camera. Focus on you, on what you want to speak about. Just try not to put too much pressure on yourself. That's what's gonna kill your channel. So, have a wonderful day, and I really hope you'll be posting soon.